Are your electricity bills piling up every month? Imagine gradually lowering them without major changes to your home. Homeowners across the country are finding a way to lower their energy costs by adding a unique piece to their existing generator systems. This simple addition could help reduce how much you spend on power. If rising utility costs, unreliable power, or the fear of blackouts are causing you stress, you need to hear this. Recent studies have shown that the main reason for high energy expenses may not be what you think. By revisiting Edison's original designs, experts uncovered a basic issue affecting energy prices. The good news is, fixing this doesn't need expensive equipment or complex setups. A straightforward nightly routine may help address these energy challenges. Thousands have already started this process on weekends, noticing improvements in their bills shortly after. Click the link below to learn more and see how this small change could start helping you save within days. No need for costly solar panels or loud wind turbines. This straightforward method may give you more control over your energy use and bring peace of mind during storms or outages. Many are reporting reductions in their bills soon after starting. Don't miss out on joining other homeowners who are taking charge of their energy costs. Without taking action, you might continue facing high bills and worrying about the power grid. Take the first step today. Click below to learn how you can begin using this approach in your home right away.